today's video, I'll talk about BBA program at Christ Bangalore. We will talk about different types of BBA, Bachelor in Business Administration program at Christ Bangalore in their different campuses. We will talk in details about the course fee structure, the eligibility, the selection criteria, and the campuses these BBA programs are available with. Before I start onto the video, I want to tell you that Christ, the status is deemed to be university. I will not go on detail of explanation is what is deemed to be university. I advise you to check the definition and the meaning of deemed to be university. This meaning in University Grants Commission, UGC, Government of India website. So let's start the video with different programs for BBA in Christ University, and do share this video link with your friends. Watch this video till the end. Christ, deemed to be university, was established as Christ College in 1969. The University Grants Commission, Government of India, conferred autonomy to Christ College in 2004 and identified Christ as an institution with potential for excellence in 2006. In 2008, the Ministry of Human Resource Development of Government of India declared the Christ College a deemed to be university. Christ University, Bangalore Central Campus is located at Hosur Road, Bangalore. Christ University, Bangalore Banerghatta Road Campus is located on Banerghatta Main Road. Bangalore Kengeri Campus of Christ is located at Mysore Road, Bangalore. And Bangalore Yashwantpur Campus of Christ University is located at Nagasandra near Tumkur Road, Bangalore. Let us look into the different BBA programs offered by Christ University at its 4 different campuses in Bangalore. BBA Decision Science is an industry integrated program which is offered in Bangalore Central Campus of Christ University. This program allows BBA students to learn from Christ University and train as apprentice at MU Sigma, which is a decision science company, simultaneously. This is a 3-year program and the curriculum is jointly designed and delivered by Christ School of Business and Management and MU Sigma. At the end of this program, Christ University BBA students will be given employment offers by MU Sigma. The course fee for 3 years BBA Decision Science Industry Integrated at Christ University, Bangalore is 6,60,000. A pass with 60% marks at 10+2 level in science or commerce stream with mathematics or statistics or computer science as one of the subjects from any recognized board will be eligible to apply for this program. The final selection will be based on entrance test, which will be online, a micro presentation and personal interview. The past academic performance will also be considered. Bachelor of Business Administration is a 3-year course at Christ University and it is offered in Bangalore Central Campus of Christ University, Kengeri Campus of Christ University and Yashwantpur Campus of Christ University. The course fee for 3 years BBA at Christ is 5,85,000. Candidates securing pass marks in 10+2 examination from any recognized board from any stream are eligible to apply for BBA program at Christ University. The final selection will be based on a cumulative score of academic performance, entrance test, micro presentation and personal interview. Bachelor of Business Administration BBA Honours course is also available at Christ University in Christ Banerghatta Road Campus and Bangalore Christ Yashwantpur Campus. The course fee for Bachelor of Business Administration BBA Honours at Christ Bangalore is 6,15,000. Candidates securing pass marks at 10+2 level from any stream from any recognized board can apply for BBA Honours course at Christ. The final selection will be made through entrance test, micro presentation, personal interview and academic performance. Bachelor of Business Administration with specialization in finance and international business. This course is of 3 years duration and it is offered in Bangalore Banerghatta Road Campus and Bangalore Yashwantpur Campus of Christ. After completion of 2 years in Christ, students of BBA Finance and International Business can transfer their credits to Partner Foreign University of Christ for completion of the program. In the foreign university, the BBA students, Finance and International Business of Christ, can spend either 1 or 1.5 or 2 years of BBA. And the following universities are the knowledge partners for the Christ University, that is IESEG France, Sheffield Hallam University UK, Liverpool Hope University UK, Griffith University Australia, Western Michigan University USA, RN Business School Netherlands. The course fee for 3 years BBA program Finance and International Business at Christ University is 6,30,000. Candidates securing pass marks at 10+2 level from any recognized board can apply for this program. Final selection list will be prepared based on the performance and in the entrance test, micro presentation round, personal interview round, and also academic performance. Bachelor of Business Administration, Finance and Accountancy specialization is also offered in Christ University. This program is offered in Christ University Bangalore main campus. The course fee for BBA Finance and Accountancy is 7,50,000 at Christ Bangalore. Students securing pass marks at 10+2 level from any recognized board in India can apply for this program. Final selection list will be prepared through entrance test, micro presentation, personal interview, and academic performance.